We turn on the lighting system of the roller, control the lever on the left side of the remote control, and then we can see the headlights light up, and the taillights and parking lights at the rear are also on. The warning light is controlled on the right side of the remote control, and the warning light can switch to multiple modes, flexibly switching according to your usage scenario. The overall walking control is controlled by the up and down joystick on the left side of the remote control. We can clearly hear the beeping sound of the car reversing. The whole device does not have a sound module, but only has a sound when reversing. The device's steering is controlled by the left and right sticks, on the right side of the remote control, using the steering system of the servo. The front and rear rollers are made of stainless steel, and they can continue to have a vibration function, which is set on the knob of the remote control. We can hear the sound of the vibration function being turned on. The left and right knobs control the vibration of the front and rear drums respectively. When we center the knob, the vibration function will stop working. There is a manually open flap on this part of the headlight, and we can clearly see a towing hook inside, which can be used when we need to tow some trailers or items. Not only in the front part, but also in the rear part, it has a tow hook design. We can look at the design of the steering simulation cylinder to make the equipment more realistic. It is about the size of our palm, and weighs about 1 kilogram. Next, we perform a complete operation on the entire machine. We compact the road surface,